Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of Biyahe na Bay. Today I'm so excited because we're gonna be unboxing the Tony Robbins Wealth Mastery Virtual Event Box. So this is the box that we're gonna be looking at what's inside. I'm so excited with this because this is my first time attending the Wealth Mastery. I've attended his Business Mastery in I think that was 2 years ago in Las Vegas, and have attended his UPW courses as well in London. And this one is supposedly to be conducted or done in person as well in UK, but unfortunately due to the pandemic, we're not able to do that as of the moment. So knowing Tony is gonna be doing whatever he can to really provide the best value to a lot of his workshop attendees. The Wealth Mastery, by the way, is part of Tony Robbins Mastery University. So it includes the Unleash the Power Within UPW. It includes the Wealth Mastery. I've attended UPW already once as an attendee. Second was as a volunteer. So there's a different experience as well, an immersive experience as well when it comes to volunteering in one of Tony Robbins' event. And then third, we have the UPW, we have the Wealth Mastery, we have the Business Mastery. The Business Mastery, I've done this course already in, like I've said, in Las Vegas. And then we have the Date with Destiny, and we also have the Life Mastery. So what I'm gonna be attending this coming April 16, 17, and 18, 2021. That's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is the Wealth Mastery event. Knowing Tony, in every event, so they probably gonna say it's gonna be a 9 to 5. No, it's never a 9 to 5 event. It's gonna be 12 hours or more. I mean, he never stops. I mean, he wants to provide value to everyone who has really attended. So he never stops. I mean, I don't even know if the guy pees, because like last time when we had the UPW, like straight from the morning till the evening, we didn't have a break. So knowing Tony's, I'm not sure how long it's gonna take, but it's gonna be a 3-day event. Like I've said, it's gonna be on April 16, 17, and 18. So what are we waiting for? We're gonna be unboxing what's inside the Tony Robbins event box. Before we're gonna be opening this box, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button as well as the follow button. Alright, so let's get started. We're gonna be opening this box. This is the Tony Robbins Wealth Mastery Virtual Event Box. So I just got this from FedEx, from the mail. And like I've said, the event will be coming April 16, 17, and 18. This is going to be a 3-day event from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And knowing Tony Robbins is going to be conducting the workshop itself for 12 hours or more. And he's going to be inviting a lot of speakers as well for the event. So let's start. So let me just pull everything out. Just pull it. We have a pen, so this is definitely for writing, and a marker. I'm not sure, maybe this is a non-permanent marker. I'm not sure we're gonna be using this. I mean, how are we gonna be using this, or where are gonna be writing this one? And then we have a pouch. Let's see if there's money inside. Oh, there's no money inside. We have a calculator as well. So I'm pretty sure there's going to be a lot of calculation involved in these. Good thing it's not a scientific calculator. It turns on. So this is solar, and this is nice. So just put this pen. I'll just set that aside. So we have the pens and the markers and the calculator, and this is I think our worksheet. And then there's going to be a lot of writing and questions as well. Definitely. And then so we're gonna be talking about, what is this, wake up, get real, honest, and clear. So this is probably the self-assessment, and definitely is gonna be talking about psychology and economics, today's economics, and what is this, today's sophistication. I see asset classes and investments and stuff, and how you're gonna be executing your plans as well. So it's here. This is nice. And determining your current financial blueprint, the 4 forces of wealth mastery, the new psychology. I see. So I think what's in this worksheet is more on like the first part is your self-assessment, and then the second part is more on the discussion, the four forces of wealth mastery. So your new psychology, and then your, what is the other one? Your new economics, new sophistication, and then you're gonna be having as well the new execution. So I think this is gonna be a very, very helpful blueprint and guide for the workshop. And what else do we have here? So we have here what's in store. Let me just put that in. I see. We have here Wealth Mastery Financial Worksheet. So this is probably calculating your net worth and your assets and liabilities and your cash flow. Okay, that's good. Let's just put that in. And then what is this? Maybe this is for the I mean, like if you're gonna be, if for the event to be interactive. Oh, the other one is, I can just paste that later on. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a very interactive event. So you have the yes, the heart, and this is probably where you're gonna be using your marker here. So I'll just put that in. And then yeah, this is nice. This is actually cool. I didn't expect this to have, but this is really good. Of course, you can put this in your door, and then just to let everyone know that you are currently doing the workshop. So busy building wealth, and what's the other one? Designing my financial future. This is really good, and which is interesting because this is my first time attending the Wealth Mastery. I've done Tony Robbins Unleash Power Within, as well as the Business Mastery. This is the first time that I've attended the Wealth Mastery, and it seems like I don't know. It seems like what I've been doing with the coaching session as well is similar to like creating your financial blueprint and how you're gonna be executing. This is similar to what I've been doing so far in the financial freedom coaching sessions that I have. Okay, and this is for this is, I think, for Tony Robbins has this Tony Robbins Foundation. He sells stuff, and then whatever the proceeds, he actually gives it back to them. So let me just put this properly here so you can guys see. Let's just put that here. And then this is your welcome letter. I see. So what are the things inside? And I see, there you go. I'm not sure what is this. I think the other one is your blueprint. So probably just a quick snapshot of where you're standing, your current resources, and where you want to go. And this, I believe, is your worksheet. So I was thinking, like, how would they be able to fit the whole 3 days workshop in this worksheet? But this is actually the worksheet. So he does this for UPW Business Mastery. There's a lot of content that he's gonna be delivering, and then he's gonna be discussing that, and I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of speakers as well in the industry, finance gurus as well. And because last time when we were having the Business Mastery, we were talking about like accounting stuff, like numbers, and then that was specifically for business, but this one is gonna be specific for the person or for the individual's wealth. So guys, like I've said, I'm so excited to attend this session, and I'm so excited to share with you my learning. Just follow Biyahe ni Bay. Definitely I'll be posting a lot of contents as well. So here we go. So we have stuff like, let me see what we have here. So we do have the worksheet, your personal wealth master workbook and pen, the financial blueprint, the financial worksheet, emoji power sticks, dry eraser marker, yeah, there you go, calculator and pouch, and then sign my this one, I think this is the one, designing my financial future. So we're good. So this is our wealth mastery box from the Tony Robbins event. So again, stay tuned guys. I'll be posting more content in our YouTube channel, Biyahe ni Bay. So don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, and please follow so that at least I'll be motivated to provide more content as well to you guys. Thank you, stay safe, take charge, and reach goals.